Uh-oh, Stevie Winwood's in the way. Anyways, I gotta get my finger at the end of the tape, and then I start, and I usually can't see nearly this well. Wow, I'm gonna start doing it this way from now on. Jesus. Yeah, I couldn't see nothing before. So I just gotta get that end up, and I've been doing it just by pressing my finger and rolling it back, and then some of the ends don't come up so easy, and other ones come right off. I'm thinking this is where the heat comes through, because all the stuff that's been closest to right there. You know, these things are so complicated, it's like I can look at it 100 times and still not remember the main ducts where the heat and the cool come from. Anyways, so I just roll that back, and then I pull this old sticky tape off, and I glued these ends together too, because they were pulling apart a little bit. Not that it mattered, it would have been fine. But then I noticed that some of this stuff was coming up, and one of the trickiest ones, which I dealt with last night, which is in here. I have to bang this thing, get it out. When I lube all this, I've got 500-degree wheel bearing grease and powdered graphite. And I'm going to make a mixture and just put the tiniest bit on all these. Look at these little slide spots, and then of course the things, you know, there's a control rod that runs through one edge of the doors. Anyway, so yeah, so this is, I think that's white lithium grease that's dried out. It's like a powder now. I've seen that before. And anyway, getting down in there, those were the hardest ones. And now these other ones that I just showed you the end of the tape from. That was a good idea. That's why I'm doing it here. Those two actually were easy because I could get my hand in there. And then I noticed there's two more down in here. Those won't be too bad though. So once I get that stuff off, it's pretty easy. I can use those hemostats and such, you know. And I got the surgical scissors out here too, with a little spoon shape on the end to push stuff around all that. So I'm just not going to stop till I'm done. And so when I had to pull that one piece off, it was under here, to reposition it back there. That one that's center image right now, running away from us all the way back there. Had to reposition it. It was touching and keeping the flap open a little. So I pulled it off, and this is self-adhesive stuff, you know. And I didn't like this self-adhesive because it came right back off. Well, it might, you know, set up after a while. But I got this super serious that I mentioned, told you about before. And when I pulled that piece off, you know, I've got the pre-glued side down with the super glue on it. When I pulled that piece off, it pulled the glue, the original, you know, adhesive that's on here. It pulled that off. So I went around and checked everything. What it came down to was late yesterday I started putting a lot more glue on, like here. So it would just melt through everything. And those were fine, but I just went through and checked all the flaps. That didn't work. Trying to glue it in at the edge. So just anything, I just went around, pulled on it all, and pulled it up, and especially the ends. You get the ends down, the rest of it will pretty much stay. But yeah, this thing's just like unreal. I did this Mitsubishi. That's what I sent the picture of. Crazy. Love you kids, bye.